Hey everybody, welcome to the video surprise of today. Today's video surprise is the unboxing review of the Camway paint thickness gauge meter. So before we get started, please remember to hit the subscribe button, the bell icon when you be notified new videos, and really appreciate that thumbs up. Thank you very much in advance. Okay, first of all, I'm gonna unbox it first. So then I'm gonna do a demo test. Then I give you my review about this product. First of all, it does come with these little pieces here for calibration purposes. There's 3 pieces total, and this one's like a different metal or something like that. You can actually go and calibrate if you like. I'm happy where it came with. This is standard aluminum. Probably want to do this one if you wanna for the car. So and also it comes with 2 AAA batteries. That's AAA batteries and a user manual. So I'm gonna open this pocket holder for the unit. Of course, is give me a little challenge over here. Notice this meter is retailing about $70 on Amazon, and it's not the cheapest one. I didn't want to go for the cheapest one because I'm not sure the cheapest one would give you very accurate readings or not. You got calibration, micrometers, mils, and the different mode, and also the on button or off button, you can say. So let me pull out the manual here. So you can probably read about it. You could do a single measurement, a continuous measurement. It beeps every time it measures, by the way. I'm not going to go in great detail on this thing over here in the manual because you actually could find it and read it. And tells how it measures, electromagnetic induction. And my personal opinion is should have got this earlier before I purchased my vehicle. So to avoid a lot of headaches with paint and stuff like that, or maybe the vehicle has an accident, it's not shown. So you got calibration, the units, the mode, and an on-off button, and it does beep. And there's the tolerances, accuracy. I'm going to show you that one again. So these are the technical specification, accuracy. You got the magnetic induction, the eddy currents and stuff like that for the probe, and what temperature is ideal, and how much this thing weighs. So let's take the unit out of the box. The battery you put in the back, you probably notice you lift the flap there and put the batteries in. I'm not going to bore you with that detail. If you want to reset, press the mode button for 3 seconds to system reset. You can do calibrate, micrometer, mils, and power on. Notice the tip is metal, so you be careful when you use it against your vehicle. And it's a nice grip on the handles overall. So the pro is it handles really well, it holds pretty good, and it fits my thumb pretty good. So I mean my hand pretty good. So and again, if you want to calibrate it, you could go and calibrate it. I'm not gonna do the calibration in this. Okay, I'm gonna do some tests. First, you turn it on. You notice that it's gonna count down to 0, and it starts with micrometers and all the default settings, right? Iron FE. Okay, so a little bit info. My camera's gonna shake a little in this video because I have to move the thing back and forth. 154. 154 is kind of like, it's about within the range, I guess. You probably will notice. I can show you for this particular vehicle. Of course, different vehicle may have different layers of paint. You might get a different reading. 146. I'm going to go around the different parts of the vehicle. I already ran this once before this video, and I could probably tell you which parts are different. So you got inaccurate reading, and you got a better reading. So you notice that there's a range that the measurements on the vehicle. So this instrument is not going to be 100% accurate. It's not a professional level or anything like that. So maybe that's a con if you're looking as a detailer and looking into this product. But if as a car buyer, it might be a useful tool to use when you purchase a vehicle. So you put it against the door, you get different readings, and put it against this one. You notice the reading is a lot higher, but it's not way off. So you notice something's wrong. And that's how you tell the abnormalities. 872 you know is wrong. It's a wrong reading. So 336, and you can see that 236 is a lot higher than 154 or or 159. 314 is a lot higher, and a lot of times when they paint the fenders, they do blend with the hood. So you can see the numbers a little bit higher, 184 right here. So the other areas are 157. So 183. Let's go to the other side. So pros, it gives you a reading, and you probably, if you do this enough, you probably could think about what the readings probably should be and what the readings are. And it's a great tool to have when you're purchasing a used vehicle, so you don't get something that you got unplanned for. And like in my case, I wish I purchased before this product, so it can save me a lot of headaches. So I'm finding the paint is not great. And you can see if I could aim it here. No, it's about 180. So pros and cons, gives you a reading. Price is $70, very reasonable, very quick response, and beeps every time you need it to give you a reading. Con is basically it's not going to be 100% accurate, so there's some trade-offs to that. And the other thing is it's very easy to handle. So hopefully this helps you out. If you're looking to purchase a vehicle, you might want to consider getting this tool to help you in your search, so you won't get stuck with a vehicle in an accident or had a paint job. Thumbs up please, and I'll see you next time. Bye.